beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because today is my first fall or autumn makeup tutorial of 2018. I cannot believe how quickly this year has gone. I mean, what? But I do love the vampy autumnal makeup looks and of course cozy knitwear, yay! Now I'm actually extra buzzing for today's tutorial because I have some exciting news to share with you. Basically, I've been approached by Online Makeup Academy and before I tell you a bit about them, I actually get a lot of questions from you guys, like asking how you can become a professional makeup artist, or what do you need in your starter kit, or how you can kind of get the relevant training to become a makeup artist. And I'm about to share with you something incredible. I just fell in love with this online concept. So today I'm going to be chatting you through how you can become a qualified makeup artist, as well as an exciting unboxing, because when you sign up to Online Makeup Academy, you get a professional kit. And I've not actually looked inside this yet, but when you do the course, you actually get sent everything you need, which is worth like $700, but you get it at a crazy price basically. And it's included in the training, which is mental because this box is full, let me tell you. So what I'm going to do is almost unbox. We're going to discover some new products. Maybe I've not even tried anything in here. I'm going to talk you through how you can obviously sign up to the Online Makeup Academy, and we're going to do an autumn fall tutorial. So I'm really excited, as I think this is such a fabulous opportunity for anyone that doesn't have the money or the freedom to actually go to a college. You can do this online and receive hours and hours of training in specific areas of makeup, be it bridal, editorial and kind of fashion makeup. So let's take a look at the makeup I'm going to be using in today's tutorial. As I'm doing my makeup, I will talk you through a bit more about what Online Makeup Academy has to offer. I mean, one of the things I know that they offer is once you've done the course, you actually get a discount card as a professional makeup artist, and you get discounts off of amazing brands such as Anastasia Beverly Hills, Makeup Forever, all sorts of different brands, which in itself sold it to me. I can see here we've got lots of Makeup Forever. We have some lashes here, contour palette, lots of foundations which you'll need for your kit of course, with different shades for yourself and for your clients. Ultra HD Makeup Forever foundation. I've not tried it yet. I really am going to transform this mess, my hair, my face, everything. Maybe I'll wear a wig. We have some Makeup Forever concealers. One thing that is incredible is this course, along with all the benefits, is open to people worldwide. So of course, because you're doing it from home, oh, hydrating primer. But yeah, because you're doing it from home, you can be anywhere in the world. Oh my gosh, no way. I didn't even think about this. I think you get a whole brush kit too. Okay, wow. So I'm fully equipped. Let's get stuck in. I'm just going to find my correct shade in foundation and concealer, and then we can get going. Wow, I'm so pale. I'm practically translucent. I'm going to start with the hydrating primer by Makeup Forever. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now the shade I'm going to use by Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation is shade 235. Pretty perfect. Let's conceal the spot. Wow. No wonder like professional makeup artists use this. It's actually airbrushing my skin. Okay, so now I'm looking even more ghostly, like how is that possible? But my skin is beautiful and even at the moment. I'm going to take, well actually that looks a bit dark. I'm going to take the Makeup Forever Full Cover Extreme Camouflage Cream in the shade 10. Let's get rid of these bags. I've also got a bruise on my nose. Don't know how that happened. So I need to brighten up my under eye. This is amazing. Oh my goodness, where has this been all my life, please? Okay, so now I'm going to take that same concealer but in the shade 18. Just put a little bit on the back of my hand because this is darker and I want to create my contour with this. Carve out my contour like this. Just so it's a bit more even. This is very full coverage, so I want to be careful where I place this and how I build it. I mean, these are all things that the Makeup Online Academy will be able to teach you more in depth. I'm sure it will be teaching you more about how to deal with different clients and how to actually apply specific makeup for specific occasions and looks, rather than just being like peachy makeup glam or get ready with me videos, which are so fun and please don't stop watching them. But you know, this is for people that want to take their makeup seriously and take it to the next level and actually have a career in it, which is actually simpler than you think. And of course it all starts with having the natural passion and ability to play with makeup, but at the same time you can learn how to do this. I mean, this is blending in beautifully and bringing me to life at the same time, because I was looking rather ghostly. That's looking better. I need some translucent powder. This is the Inglot translucent powder. I've heard very good things about this actually. I'm actually going to use one of the brushes from the brush kit. I'm not going to like full on bake, but I'm just going to dust this translucent powder. This just brightens and stops creasing, and of course sets the whole base really. Okay, so now onto the bronzing and powder contouring. I'm going to use the LA Colours I Love Makeup Contour Palette, which is all powder, and it looks like you've got some nice shades of contouring and bronzing. And actually, whilst I'm doing this, I'm going to take a look on the Online Makeup Academy site and just tell you a few things about what they offer. I'm going to leave everything in the description box below, all of the links and everything that you need to kind of follow this up and apply for the course. Basically, a few things it says on its website is become a top beauty industry professional today. The Master Makeup Artist course includes a complete professional makeup education. It begins with an essential makeup course, continuing through to the advanced makeup artist curriculum, which is exciting. I've already spoken about everything that you can receive in terms of the Master Makeup Kit, which is incredible. A certificate on completion showing that you've mastered the in-depth knowledge of the Master Makeup Artist course. And upon graduation, you qualify for your pro cards, girl, yes! And also, I must tell you that you can get $100 off with the code that is in the description box below. So for all the prices and all of the information, you can have a look at the description box below, follow the links, and then use my code for $100 off, which is amazing. And what you've got to remember with the course, you actually get $700 worth of makeup in your first kit, and I think the whole course is around $1,000 anyway, but don't quote me on that. Follow the links, have a look for yourself, and yeah, make sure you get that $100 discount as well, because that just makes it even more of an insane deal. But now I'm moving on to the blush kit that's included. I'm just going to take a couple of these little pinky peachy shades and apply them round about the apples of my cheeks, just a little bit further up because I've got quite a round face. Kind of. And for an autumn makeup look, I just love a nice bit of blush to just show that rosy flush, like the cold wind flush that you get when you go out. You know what I mean. Okay, now my skin is looking a lot better. Let's get into the eyes and create something really beautiful for this autumn season. And I'm actually going to use the Smashbox Full Exposure palette, which is actually one of my favourites. I'm so glad this comes in the kit. This is so incredible because you have so many neutral colours, a few little dark sparkly ones, this beautiful matte black. There is nothing like this matte black, I love it. And the brown tones, I also use this for my eyebrows sometimes. So let's get stuck in with a nice eye look, and then I'm going to use the Violet Voss eyeshadow palette. This is the Rainbow eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use one of the shades from here, maybe two, but I think I'm going to use this beautiful yellow shade to give the whole look a pop. So I'm just going to start with a neutral shade to pat all over my lid to prime it, and I'm going to use all the brushes from the kit that they have provided. Then I'm going to use a kind of taupey beige shade to just build a little bit of depth and contour into my crease. And I'm going to take a little bit more of a round, fluffier brush and take that dark brown shade and start to kind of carve a contour into my eyes. I mean, who knew? Contouring your eyelids. I'm going to also wing it out a little bit to create a more feline look. And the key is to blend, blend, blend so it looks flawless. I'm now going to take the really dark black shade from this palette And I'm going to take this with a smudger that you get in the kit and just smudge a nice little black liner effect. I'm so here for a smoky wing. Honestly, I think that they just look so sexy and sultry. Okay, so now I'm going to take the beautiful shade Buttercup, which is this yellow shade from the Violet Voss Rainbow Eyeshadow Palette. And I'm going to create a kind of spotlight eye. We'll see where it goes. Wow, this is beautiful. I just want to concentrate on the centre of my lid to just really make that pop. Wow, this is so creamy and pigmented. I'm just going to blend that out with my brush that has the dark brown shade on it already. Okay, now I'm going to take a little bit of that shade Pearl, which is the white iridescent shade, and just put a little bit of frosting into my inner corner. And I still do have a bit of Buttercup on my brush, so it's creating a gorgeous like goldy, pearly, iridescent finish. I mean, what a difference brows make to an eye look. I just used my Tarte Maracuja brow mousse in medium brown, literally my favourite little brow pot. And now I'm going to put these gorgeous fluffy lashes on. These are Mykonos by Lily Lashes. I decided on no eyeliner. I'm just going to keep it at the soft smoked out eyeshadow, and I'm going to put these lashes on. Wow, these lashes are so beautiful and glam for a full look. I do want to just warm up the eyes a tad, so I'm just going to take one of my warm shades from the Huda Beauty Warm Obsessions palette. How many times can I say warm? I can take any kind of burgundy shade, but I'm just going to buff this around the gold into the brown to give it just a little bit more warmth. One thing I do want to mention about Online Makeup Academy and all of the products they send out to you is that they can vary from product to product, as in you might get an updated one or an improved. If you get something different to what is advertised in terms of just like a slightly different palette or product, it's because they are improving their products all the time. So it's a good thing if you get something different, because that means it's better than what it was before. Now I'm just going to use some highlighter. This is so beautiful. This is the new Snow Flushed Extra Dimension Skin Finish by MAC. It's got my name on it because I actually went on the trip to launch their holiday collection. It's so beautiful and glittery. This is literally like the perfect winter highlighter. It's pretty extra, but that's what I like. And by the way, the mascara I used was the Excessive Lash Mascara by Makeup Forever, which also came in the box. Now for the lips, I'm going to use the Makeup Forever lipstick palette. I'm going to create a little ombre ting. Actually, let me get a lip liner first. So I'm going to use Cork by MAC all over my lips, and then blend it in with a little bit of, I don't think they've got names, but a little bit of this dark shade here with this coral shade here. Love this lip combo, but I just feel like I need to top it off with some gloss. This is by Inglot. This is the Sleek Lip Gloss. I like the packaging actually. It's just completely clear. Just gonna give it a little bit of shine. Wow. Okay, now the makeup's done. I'll be right back with my hair did. I'm back! So I decided to go for some icy hair to match my icy skin. I actually designed this wig and I stock it at castawaybeauty.com, so go and check it out. It's probably my favourite in the whole collection. I haven't kind of blended the hairline too perfectly. I've literally just whipped it on, but I am going to put a little beanie hat on in honour of autumn to just top off the full feels. How cute does this look? I think this beanie is just from like Aldo or something in London. This jumper is from Primark last year, unfortunately, but they might do it again. And yeah, this wig is luxury synthetic. It's a lace front. It looks so natural and it just feels so beautiful. It's really affordable because it is synthetic hair, but I think it looks really real. And the colour is just beautiful. It's like in between a creamy blonde silver, do you know what I mean? So I absolutely love it, and I hope that you have loved this tutorial. Please do check out the online makeup academy because what they're offering is so incredible and I don't want you to miss out. All the details are in the description box below, and yeah, please do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, join the family, and I'll see you on the next one, beauties. Love you lots. Mwah. Bye.